Hi y'all, this is Dr. Bove. I wanted to review how to access the material. It came to my attention that not everybody was accessing the material the way that was intended, so I just wanted to review this information. So real quick, just a review of the sidebar. So we have announcements. This gets you to all the previous announcements, including the one with my office hour announcement in it. I recommend that you come by and visit me. Here we've got the grades. You can check your grades. And then people, if you need to get in touch with somebody from the course, this is how you find that out. Over here on this sidebar, you've got the calendar. So this includes information that is not in your to-do list, right? So this calendar, I've set up additional reminders. So for example, if you have a forum and then there's an additional response, I've set that up in the calendar. So I highly recommend you check assignments there. Here on these buttons, as I mentioned in the video, in the welcome video that you'll find here, this is how you should be accessing the course, right? The start here takes you to the first couple days of the semester, so if you're in the middle of the semester, this is not very useful. However, the course syllabus, you need to be following up with that throughout the semester. This is kind of our contract between you and me as student and professor. All right, and then lastly, this course modules, this is how you should be accessing the course. So you click on this course module button, and we're loading it up. We have a description of the course itself, all of the different modules, and for example, if I want to look at module 2, it takes us to this course module page. It's come to my attention that many of you were not even looking at this page, which is huge, right? So this is what I was talking about. These are the citations for all of the readings. This is wonderful and helpful and lovely. This gives you all a list of all of the readings. Gives you links to all the quizzes. It gives you links to every single assignment for this module with a lot of big pointers and helpful suggestions. So you need to be accessing this page when you want to look at the different modules. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. This should be just a short little video on how to use everything. Thanks for communicating, and I look forward to talking to you later. All right, bye.